Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. Opening shot fades in on a classic 1963 Studebaker Wagonaire rolling into frame, sunlight reflecting off its clean body lines. In the early 1960s, America was falling in love with station wagons, but Studebaker decided to do something no one else dared to try. This is the 1963 Studebaker Wagonaire, a car that blended innovation, practicality, and bold thinking into one unforgettable package. Exterior. The exterior of the 1963 Studebaker Wagonaire instantly sets it apart from every other wagon of its era. Its clean, squared-off design gives it a strong, almost SUV-like presence long before SUVs became popular. The front end features a wide chrome grille with integrated headlights, giving the Wagonaire a confident and upscale look. The long roofline flows smoothly to the rear, emphasizing cargo space while still maintaining a balanced profile. Chrome trim runs along the sides, adding elegance without excess. But the real star of the show is the Wagonaire's most famous feature, the sliding roof. This innovative steel roof panel could slide forward, transforming the wagon into an open cargo hauler capable of carrying tall items like appliances or furniture. In 1963, this was revolutionary, making the Wagonaire one of the most versatile vehicles on the road. Interior. Step inside, and the interior reflects Studebaker's focus on comfort and usability. The cabin is spacious, with wide bench seats upholstered in durable vinyl or cloth, designed for long family trips. The dashboard is simple yet stylish, featuring a horizontal speedometer, clear gauges, and chrome accents that reflect the era's design language. Large windows provide excellent visibility, making the interior feel open and airy. Rear seating folds down to create a flat-load floor, further enhancing cargo capacity. With the sliding roof open, the Wagonaire could haul items that would never fit in a conventional wagon, making it incredibly practical for families, businesses, and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Performance. Under the hood, the 1963 Studebaker Wagonaire offered a range of engine options to suit different needs. Buyers could choose economical inline-six engines for daily driving or step up to powerful V8 options for more confident performance. The V8 engines delivered strong low-end torque, ideal for hauling heavy loads or cruising on the highway. Paired with manual or automatic transmissions, the Wagonaire provided a smooth and stable driving experience. Its body-on-frame construction gave it durability, while the suspension was tuned for comfort rather than sportiness, making it perfect for long-distance travel and utility use. In conclusion, the 1963 Studebaker Wagonaire was far ahead of its time. With its innovative sliding roof, spacious interior, and versatile performance options, it redefined what a station wagon could be. While Studebaker may not have survived long after, the Wagonaire remains a symbol of bold engineering and creative thinking. Today, it's a rare and admired classic, proof that sometimes the most daring ideas are the ones that leave the longest legacy. Closing shot lingers on the Wagonaire as it drives away, reminding us that true innovation never goes out of style.